Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. How you doing? In this video we're talking about Bitcoin analysis, or we're talking about the analysis of the market generally and the rest. And before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and you are watching this video right now, please kindly subscribe now. Smash the like button and don't forget to put on the notification so as to get more updates and be notified on more content like this. So let's get started. Um, Last week we talked about analysis of the markets generally. We talked about the coin market cap. We analyze coin markets, we analyze Bitcoin and the rest. And I titled the video "The End of bear market." Some people actually thought I mean the bear market is over also without watching the video. It's only if you watch the video that's when you know what was inside. Do you understand? So apologies for that anyway. So what in the video was that I was trying to tell you a particular zone where I was expecting the price of Bitcoin to bounce, and in which I labeled the price region then, which was around 18.7 or so to 7. I don't remember the price offhand. So sorry for that. You can check my last video to check to get that. But it was around somewhere around this point. It was between 19,000 to I guess uh I guess 17.4 or so. I guess 17.4. So and the price of Bitcoin got to uh sorry sorry so in which the price of Bitcoin got to around let's zoom the price and let's see where the price got to. So the price of Bitcoin got to around 17.6, which is still within the region which I projected in that last video. Do you understand that the price of Bitcoin is likely to bounce from there? Do you understand? And which from there Bitcoin has been trying to hold that support, but but that particular support is weak because assuming that support was meant to hold the price very well, we should have seen a big momentum or a big volume from that particular support level to the upside. But there is no enough volume is coming in. No volume is coming in. Do you understand? From that particular support level. So which means that the price of Bitcoin or the Bitcoin price is still weak. So we still have more to the downside. That's what it's trying to say. Do you understand? So that's what it's trying to say there. That is why the price is getting weaker, and it might also be that we might have some consolidation in that region. But I can tell you that if that particular, you can see. Okay, before I go to that, you can see that on the chart, you can see we have a trend line that touches that particular point, that passes through it, and in which we also have a support level around that region where I identify in that video. I guess that was something around there. So let me delete this. So uh, if this particular price, if this particular level is broken, if this level is broken, then you'll be seeing Bitcoin coming to around uh sorry if that point is broken, you'll be seeing Bitcoin coming to around it should coming to around 15,000 16,000 level. Between 15 to 16,000 levels, you see Bitcoin coming to around that region. That's if that particular support, the current support, is broken, which I can't guarantee that it's not going to break because in this market nothing is 100%. Do you understand? So, but I only feel that that particular region should be able to hold for some time before it will come down and break below. Is not, because looking at the way that particular support zone is reacting to price is not strong enough to hold that region. So So which means that you might only have some little consolidation, and in the end you get to break it or spike below to that region of 16k to or to 15k. So that's that. But if you have to check a lower time frame, this is a daily time frame. Let's check lower time frame and see, and let's see what is happening currently on our Bitcoin chart. So you can see that on lower time frame currently, you can see that Bitcoin is having let's quickly take up this trend line. Okay, let's check something from here. You can see that you're having something like this here, and also with here you're having something like this also. Sorry that my this thing is doing some. So we have something like that also, and looking at it, it's more like a ascending wedge, you understand, or a upward channel, which is likely to break down to the downside, which has more probability of breaking down to the downside. And if you look at it, there's a minor level around here. I guess I dropped that in the Telegram group about the minor level, and which the price actually react to. But there is one particular level that we should be looking at, which price might later come to, which is this, which is between this point and here. And the reason why price needs to come to that particular region is because the whole move, this particular small move of this how will I say, the move that broke the 22k region, all the whole move started from there. So there is more like a low level liquidity, like a recent shutters coming from that particular region, or how do I put it for you guys so that you can understand. So that particular level, there is high probability that price will come back later on and pick it up. So what I'm actually expecting the price to actually do from here is that I'm expecting the price to short from here, come to pick up this particular area, maybe come to this area, which is where the upward channel started from. If this particular point should hold the price, then you see a bounce, then the bounce will go ahead and go to 22,000 or 23,000 level. Do you understand? Then we might have, if that level is broken, then you might see the more upward side, and if it's not broken, then you might see a downside to come and break that 76 region. So it all depends on how they want to play this game. But and they might also decide to pump from this particular region and pump to 23,000 level, between 22,800 to 20,000 level. Then from there have a short, or they should short down to this 19.5 or 19.7, pump to that region to clear, and then short. So it all depends on how they want to move the market. But those area over 23,000, 22.8 are key area where you want have to look at, which you have to look at very well. So I don't want to make this video to be long, so let's quickly check the total market cap before we go. If you look at the last video, I explained something on the last video also, that the total market cap was on this good support level, which I'm expecting to bounce, and which I'm not expecting a break. That was last week, and which that particular week actually till this moment owed the price from that support level. But looking at the weakness of the market generally, which means that there is probability that the price might actually break that support or spike below. I guess I mentioned that last time. So, and if you go below, then you might be seeing a market cap lower than 900 billion. I guess I mentioned that price in the last video also. So you can always go back to the last video, you see the link up. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. God bless you all and have a wonderful day.